Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope everyone is well. Today I will show you 3 easy FREAKSHAKES. Hello everyone. Today there will be incredibly tasty and simple milkshakes. And how awesome they look. Ingredients: Oreo milkshake, 200 grams vanilla ice cream, 100 milliliters whole milk, 60 grams, 6 pieces Oreo cookies for serving. Melted chocolate Oreo cookies, whipping cream, vanilla s'mores milkshake, 200 grams vanilla ice cream, 150 milliliters whole milk, 1/4 of a teaspoon vanilla extract for serving. Melted chocolate marshmallows, whipping cream, peanut butter and jam milkshake, 200 grams vanilla ice cream, 100 milliliters whole milk, 60 grams peanut butter for serving. Melted chocolate, chopped peanuts, raspberry jam, whipping cream. Cooking method: Oreo milkshake. 1. In a blender, beat the vanilla ice cream, milk, and Oreo cookies. 2. Decorate the glass with melted chocolate and chopped Oreo cookies. Pour in the milkshake, garnish with whipped cream. Put Oreo cookies on top. Vanilla s'mores milkshake. 1. In a blender, beat the vanilla ice cream, milk, and vanilla extract. 2. Decorate the glass with melted chocolate. Pour in the milkshake, garnish with whipped cream. Put marshmallows on top and fry it with a burner. Peanut butter and jam milkshake. 1. In a blender, beat the vanilla ice cream, milk, and peanut butter. 2. Decorate the glass with melted chocolate and chopped peanuts. Add raspberry jam and pour in the milkshake, garnish with whipped cream. Sprinkle with chopped peanuts and jam on top. Milkshake recipe: chocolate milkshake, easy milkshake recipe, Oreo milkshake, 3 easy milkshake, homemade milkshake, Oreo milkshake recipe, chocolate milkshake recipe. Milkshakes, how to make. Milkshake recipes: vanilla milkshake, strawberry milkshake, easy milkshake recipes, banana milkshake, easy 3 types milkshake, 3 milkshake recipe, 3 flavor milkshake, Kit Kat. Milkshake, Oreo milkshake with 3 ingredients. For serving: melted chocolate Oreo cookies, whipping cream, vanilla